Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Sahil and welcome to the channel. So we have started a series of technical analysis where we are analyzing various stocks and indexes on the basis of some technical chart patterns and some derivative data. So continuing the series, the next stock that we are analyzing as of today, 11th of September, is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited India stock, that is BPCL. So let's just without wasting any time move to the analysis. Yes, so as you all can see on the screens, this is investing.com, the source I am using to analyze the BPCL Limited India stock, and this is the daily chart pattern of the stock, and the time is 8:13 a.m. and the last trading session on 10th of September, the stock gave a decisive breakout and it gave a close at the levels of 430.30, and we can expect a good upside in the prices of BPCL Limited India stock in the coming trading sessions. If you look this red line, this is the 200 DMA level of the line, and this green line, this is the 50 DMA level of the line, and the stock gave a decisive breakout out of this 200 DMA level and the 50 DMA level, and we can thus expect a good upside. Also, if you look this green line, this is now trading above the red line, that is 50 DMA is now trading above the red line and has given a positive crossover, and whenever 50 DMA gives a positive crossover over the 200 DMA, it is known as a golden crossover, and usually the stock prices show a good upside in the coming trading sessions. Also, if you look at this Bollinger Band, the stock has given a fresh breakout out of this upper band of the Bollinger Band, and thus this is positive signal for a stock. Also, we can expect a good upside if the volume supports, and also if you look at the volumes were quite good. The volumes were above the average volumes, and if the volume supports, there would be a good upside seen in the prices of BPCL Limited India stock. Also, if you look at this RSI, the RSI is currently at the levels of 59.71, which is good and which is also a positive signal for a stock. Also, if you look at this MACD indicator, let me just zoom in a bit for you all. Yes, if you see, the stock has given a positive crossover, that is the blue line is now trading over the red line, and thus we can see a good upside in the prices of BPCL Limited India stock. And if you see this trend line, the stock would be facing some resistance near the levels of 439 to 440. As you see, the stock is forming a nice rounding bottom pattern, and if the stock gives a breakout out of this 440, the stock is all ready to move up to the new heights. So yes, if someone is looking to invest in BPCL Limited India stock, she can do with short-term target 1 of 438, second short-term target of 447, and third short-term target of 456, while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 410. And if someone is looking to invest in Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited India stock, that is BPCL, positionally, she can do with positional target of 502 while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 370. And let's just confirm it with our derivative data also. Yes, as you all can see on the screen, this is the NSE website that I am using as a source to analyze the option chain derivative data of the stock. And let me just zoom in a bit for you all. Yes, so if you see, yes, so if you see, this is the call side of the data, and the highest OI and the highest change in OI stands at the strike price of 440. So yes, this also supports our technical analysis data that the rounding bottom pattern was forming, and the stock would be facing some resistance at the levels of 440. And yes, if the stock clears this levels of 440, the next major the stock is all ready to move to the levels of 500, where the OI stands at the 582. And also if you look at this put side, the highest change in OI stands at the strike price of 430. So yes, this is something positive for a stock that the writers are not expecting that the stock would be easily breaking the levels of 430. And also if you look at the highest change in OI, the highest change in OI stands at the strike price of 400, and that also matches with our technical analysis data that the short term stop loss was at the levels of 410. So yes, all in all the indicators are showing positive signal for a BPCL Limited India stock, and thus if someone is looking to invest in BPCL Limited India stock, she can do the short term target one of 438, second short term target of 447, and third short term target of 456, while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 410. And yes, if someone is looking to invest in BPCL Limited India stock positionally, she can do with positional target of 502 while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 370. And before ending this video, there is a disclaimer here. Yes, that the given analysis and recommendation is only for the educational purpose. Do not consider it as a buy or sell call. Thank you for watching the video.